Leg pain or muscle cramps. Your body may need more magnesium. Add foods like almonds, pumpkin seeds, spinach, and cashews to your diet. These magnesium-rich foods may help relax muscles and support better nerve function. Eat healthy and support stronger muscles naturally. Feeling weak or tired legs? Try soaked almonds and dates. Soak these overnight. Eat soaked almonds and dates in the morning. They are rich in magnesium and potassium. These nutrients may help support healthy nerves and muscle strength. This healthy combination may also help reduce weakness and improve energy naturally. Add this simple healthy habit to your daily routine for stronger muscles and better wellness. Muscle cramps or leg pain? Try this ginger lemon tea. Boil fresh ginger in water for a few minutes. Add a little lemon juice and honey. Mix well and enjoy it warm. Ginger may help reduce pain and inflammation naturally. Lemon may support better blood circulation and freshness. This soothing tea may help relax muscles and reduce body stiffness. Leg pain or joint stiffness? Try Fenugreek Water in the morning. Soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. Drink the water on an empty stomach in the morning. Fenugreek may help reduce inflammation, support joint comfort, and improve muscle strength naturally. A simple healthy habit for better mobility and overall wellness. Leg pain or weak bones? Try this healthy Ragi drink. Add ragi flour to water and cook for a few minutes until smooth. You can add milk and a little jaggery for extra taste. Ragi is rich in calcium and iron, which may help support strong bones and healthy muscles. A simple healthy drink for better strength and daily wellness. Drink this regularly and support stronger bones, healthier muscles, and pain-free movement naturally. Leg pain or body stiffness? Try this soothing turmeric cinnamon milk before bed. In 1 glass of warm milk, add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Mix well and enjoy warm. Turmeric contains curcumin, which may help reduce inflammation, while cinnamon helps improve warmth and circulation naturally. This comforting bedtime drink may support joint health, muscle relaxation, and better sleep. Leg pain or joint pain? Try this simple garlic soup. In a pan, sauté chopped garlic in a little butter or olive oil. Add small bread pieces, black pepper, turmeric, salt, and hot water. Cook for 3 minutes, and your healthy soup is ready. Garlic may help reduce inflammation and support better blood circulation naturally. Enjoy it warm and follow for more healthy recipes. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, which may help reduce muscle stiffness and leg cramps. Spinach contains iron and magnesium that may support muscle health and improve energy naturally. Dark chocolate is packed with magnesium and antioxidants that may help relax muscles and support better blood circulation. Adding these foods to your diet may help support strong muscles and overall wellness naturally. Tired legs or muscle weakness? Try this healthy dry fruit combo. Dates provide natural energy and potassium. Almonds are rich in magnesium for healthy muscles. Figs contain iron and fiber that may support strength and wellness. A simple daily snack for stronger muscles and better energy. Leg pain or muscle weakness? Try this healthy spinach mushroom omelette. Eggs provide protein for muscle strength. Spinach is rich in magnesium and iron for better energy. Mushrooms may help support healthy bones and muscles naturally. A simple healthy meal for stronger legs and better wellness.